I am using pattern paper to draft my patterns. This provides me with guides across the paper and helps me to draw more accurately. First, we will work on the back of the skirt by starting at the top left, and we will draw a line squaring down and across and marking this point as 0. For the next point, we will be measuring downwards using the waist to hip measurement, and we will be squaring across the paper, marking this as point 1. Again from point 0, measuring downwards using the side length measurement. Here I have 65 centimeters. We will square across the paper and mark this as point 2. From point 1, we will measure across using the half hip measurement and add 1.5 centimeters. We can now square up and down from this point and mark this as 3. Again, from point 1, we will measure across using the quarter hip measurement and add 1.5 centimeters, and then square up and down from this point. We will mark this as 4. Now going back to point 0, we will measure across using the half waist measurement and add 4.5 centimeters, and to mark this point as 5. From point 5, we will square up by 1.5 centimeters and mark this as point 6. To create the waistline, we will connect point 0 to point 6 and divide this line by 3 to create dart points, marking these as point 7 and 8 from the left. Using these 2 points, we will create darts for the back of the skirt. We will square down at point 7 by 14 centimeters and drawing a dart 2 centimeters wide. This also applies to point 8, squaring down by 12 centimeters. The length of the dart can be longer or shorter depending on the seat of the person. Now, we will draw in the waistline, hollowing in approximately 0.5 centimeters at each segment. Finally, for the back of the skirt, we will be connecting point 6 to point 4, hollowing out by 1 to 1.5 centimeters, creating a side seam.